Yeah, Subto, the community is amazing. If you haven't joined Subto yet, you have the link below. Get in there, check it out. Check out the community. It's not just about a mentorship, it's about the people that you're going to hang out with and people that are willing to show you. Their Pace is big about being a go-giver community, and he completely believes in that. And everybody that joins the group is supposed to have that mentality as well.
Yeah, 100%, man. That's one of the things that I love, the go giver thing.
So if I wasn't in that group, I probably would have just been like, oh, it's too late in the day. At least I got the gym in and that's it, right? Definitely accountability is key for sure.
Awesome, you got your steps in. I saw your post yesterday. And yeah, accountability, I think, is the biggest thing. Like you said about the gym, having somebody that holds you accountable. Pace talks about it, having somebody accountable. One thing, too, about joining the community, either it be Gator or Sub2 community, you can join with a partner. I think the trick is to get you and your partner in an LLC and then join so then you can split your costs. So you both get it for half the cost because now you're splitting it. So Sub2, if you really want to get into the larger part of the community with Hello, everyone. I'm Edgar the Connector, your host of the podcast Dream Start On. And in this episode, we're going back in time, checking out all these mentions of Subject to, the community, Sub2 community, and listen to the people that are talking about it. This isn't my words, this is theirs, and what they've been able to accomplish being surrounded with like minded people. We talk about networking, about not doing it by yourself. Listen, if you decide to join, drop a comment below, and I will meet you one-on-one connect. There is a affiliate link below, so I can earn a commission if you decide to join, but don't take it from me. These are all the people that have been on my podcast talking about it. So listen in and tell me what you think. So you just started 6 months ago when you moved to Texas?
No, I bought my first property in March of this year, but I joined the community in October.
He gave back so much valuable information, and what really stood out was the fact that he gives. Before anything else, he just gives. He's a go giver. He gives and gives and gives.
That's
And
his whole community. This whole
exactly.
Sub2 community.
Yes, right. Yes, yes.
Sorry,
yes.
I got to throw that in there. Hey, if you want to join Sub2, there's an affiliate link below.
right, right. So I'm in boot camp, and I'm like, and as I joined, and he would always go over. Bigger Pockets give him a lot of amount of time. He would just go over because he wanted to give.
Oh my God! All this time I was in silent, and then when I started meeting all the people, the community helped a lot. It's so important.
Yeah, being able to reach out and have so many helpful people. Sub2 is great. Join the affiliate link below so you can join Sub2 and see what the community is about. It's great. It's a one-time fee, and you're there for the life of it as long as you follow the rules and you stay positive and you're not taking advantage of people or being negative about it. It pays for keeping the community, and there's so much information to share. Such good people to meet.
Hey, I love it because I get to achieve my goal of helping 100 people and the impact that has on them and their kids. And then it helps me because it helps us continue to fund more projects and do more deals.
It's an awesome goal. So the Mount Everest is what Pace has given us from the Sub2 community. Casey and I are an owners club. It's a smaller group of people that have got together with Pace to work, partnered up with them. And the Mount Everest is a challenging goal that Pace has challenged us to try to complete within the next 3 years. It's a great way to go about it. So partnering up with people instead of just trying to do it all yourself and take it over. So you mentioned some of the properties you picked up before the community, and the community being the Sub2 community is that you joined. When did you join Sub2?
It's going to be 2 years in April.
Okay. So a year before Squad Up.
yeah.
And then you joined Gator as well. But you said when you joined, it was really,
it was really
slow process.
Yeah, because I think it got really popular at that time. So a lot of people joined.
The last properties in the last 5 months, they were creative,
Oh, okay.
a lot of seller financing.
When did you start buying Sub2 houses?
I would say 7 months. This year in 2024, we buy some before, but not a lot. But when the prices went higher and the interest rate and all that, we were and I hear about Pace Morby.
She's got a wealth of knowledge to give everybody here. Please drop a comment again. And shout out to Bigger Pockets. I think you're like the 12th person on the podcast that's mentioned them. Shout out to Pace Morby. Everybody has given him things because he's such a go-giver. The Sub2 community, Gator community, and now an owners club.
it's amazing. I wouldn't have met you and had this opportunity to have you on the channel if I wasn't in Owners Club. So I'm very thankful to them as well.
Yes, it's been wonderful getting to know you, and it's been wonderful to be in that amazing community.
And I think there's just something about being a teacher. And then when you teach a specific subject matter, it's immensely edifying. So yeah, I'm grateful that Subto gave me the platform to be able to work with students in low equity.
Dude, amazing story. If you want to join Subto, Matt, I'm pretty sure it's got an affiliate link. If not, you can use mine.
There you go.
Dude, it's a community. You talk about mentorships. Pace says it's not a mentorship. He has a training course in the beginning.
And you just want to make sure that you're working with the right people. So yeah, shiny object syndrome is real, and you just have to know how to make the right decisions with everything jumping your way.
Right. Yeah, and Pace put up this community. It's been wonderful. It's been great. I officially joined Subto, I think, a month ago.
Oh my goodness, congratulations. I love it. You were in the Owners Club before you became Subto.
I think her first check's going to be like a few $100s off of the one account a month.
Nice.
A month.
The Owners Club, Brenda, like via Franklin?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, she's great.
She's great.
Phoenix. We're actually in the Houston area, and I hadn't met her here.
Oh, really?
Phoenix, so we
Oh, man.
She's
awesome.
meeting. I went to another meetup and she left before I got there. But she actually got me my first Gator deal.
Oh, awesome.
I got the wire today, actually. We just...
Wow.
It was a few weeks ago.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, super cool. Yeah, she's great peeps, man. She's great. She's a great person. And I feel honored to be able to have opened up a door that she was like looking into.
They call us Rainmaker. I signed up for helper, but they changed the name. So I'm going to be running the LOI blaster. We had somebody just pull up the prop stream list that I have to import about 30 minutes ago. But the thing is, everybody on the team is new.
Got it.
The coach is new. The TC is new. Everybody's been in Subto or the community less than 3 months. Most of them been less than a month.
That's crazy.
Yeah. And then our coach didn't show up for a bit. So I was like, I just started leading. Look, from what I've heard, this and that, we're going to do this.
Yeah.
Like, I'll buy a LOA blaster, but I did long-term rental on that 2 years and we broke even though we're cash flowing $600 a month. Then I was like, this isn't enough, And then I found Pace and I was like, okay, I'm already in a mentorship, but I don't want to pay for Paces yet. How can I learn his system? So I got in the Subto free group and I sold my townhouse on a wrap to a Subto student so I can get the contract.
You're kidding.
Find out the servicing company, the titling company, and then just reverse engineer it from there.
No way.
Yeah.
Super cool. Very cool.
The big thing that helped me switch gears was I joined Owners Club, which if you don't know what that is, if you're listening and you're not sure what that is, Peace Morby, who is the leader of the Subto community, created something called Owners Club. And it's just a smaller little subset of Subto. And we're really focused on entrepreneurship and business growth and acceleration. So
very much equity. So when an agent's trying to sell it, they're trying to get a price, but that price is too high for the market because other properties in the area are selling for less. We'll go in, you'll go in, Matt and your team will go in, pick up the property, taking over the mortgage subject to or the Subto community. And then even though it won't cash flow, by what we mean it won't cash flow is on a long-term rental. When you're running on a long-term rental, you want to try to have $400 or $500 cash flow to help put that money towards future repairs.
If you're an agent and you want to learn more about Subto, reach out to Voight. If we get a couple of agents, you might be able to do a Zoom workshop to educate you on Subto, the win-win situations, how the buyer's protected. I guess go into that. So if I sell you my property, subject to how is my credit protected?
Yeah, great question. The biggest thing too, which I really love, we actually have all the instruments needed within Subto for protection. So when it comes down to taking over somebody's mortgage, the big scary thing is everybody comes.
And you're leading the way that way, being a good leader in the community Subto, and Owners Club as well.
Yeah, I'm so grateful ever since I joined a couple years ago. And honestly, it's so funny. The reason I joined is completely different, right? I joined Subto and my initial thoughts was just tools in the tool belt, need to add more creative to my world. Boy, was I wrong.
When did you join Subto?
When we were to the
Squad Up Summit?
Yeah.
Really, in April?
Yeah, but I don't even go much into the community. Just lazy.
You know they have a Spanish sub 2 now, I think.
Catch this next podcast where you can start your dreams and start to own your time the way these other guests have.